Very foggy good morning, guys. So, good morning. As you can see now, it's a cold weather with a foggy surrounding. See, those birds are flying. Wow, the surroundings, all guys. Masyado po siyang ma-foggy today. Too much cold, guys. Very cold. Actually, my son is not here today. He went in the upper house. Oh my god. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Marami akong pimple today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gawa ng laging stressed. It's a foggy morning. Whew. Yung upper house namin, no, hindi maklaro. The upper house, guys. In that white big one, guys, that is our upper house. It's not clear kasi nga po masyadong foggy. Hindi siya makita masyado. Ayun. Nilalamig na po ako, guys. Gusto ko ipakita sa inyo yung lumalabas kong cold breath. Cold breath. Ay, yung nasa likod ko pala, guys. Dove pala yan. That is a dove house. Dove house. Actually, we have, I think, 12 doves already. Because we are more, what is this? Ano ba ang tawag dito? Nag-aalaga kami ng doves. So, wala lang. Naisipan ko lang pakita sa inyo kung ano ang weather ngayon sa labas. Ang kati-kati. May allergy po ako sa lamig, guys. Seriously. May allergy sa lamig. Ayan po, guys. I'm here outside and as you can see, my background is the buffalo. Hi, buffalo. And he has also a baby. It's here inside also, so I'll not show you guys. Later on you will see in my vlog. Charot. Charot. Yan po yung aming radish ka-harvest nung nakaraang araw. Malaki, no? Hindi ako nakapag-video kahapon, guys, because kahapon ba? Nung nakaraang araw nag-harvest kami because Pacho was there. Yan. Suma-sunlight na po. Yan ang sunlight. Ayun. Oh. Yan ang aming goat. That's our goat. Goaty. And this the kids of the goat. The goat. Ayan po yung goat. The long goat. Malaki at maliit. Ito. Hello. Kahapon nag-ihaw kami ng goat. Nag-ihaw kami ng goat. Ay, one killed, one down. Goat, kinain kagabi. Hindi. Yung goat na yun ay sa ibang bahay galing. Tapos dito inihaw yung goat na yun. See. Ito po yung aking breakfast today. Kape-kape muna tayo, guys. Kape muna iniinom ko ngayon. Saka donut. Kasi I have a gastric po. May ano po kami sa loob, buffalo milk, pero hindi po, iniiwasan ko na po siya kasi yung gastric ko po. Lagi po kasi ako umiinom dati, na-confine ako dahil lang sa gastric. Kaya nga iniiwasan ko. Kape-kapuin muna tayo pag may time. Minsan po tea. Pero yung coffee, I like the coffee taste today. So better coffee today. So guys, mahapon na po. Time checks already 5 in the afternoon. See the cauliflower. And then last time it's always all flowers. Now it's not flower anymore. See, ganito po yung itsura niya. I forget the name of this one, but this one, the beans of this plant is used for oil. You know, butterfly. Oh. Oil. I don't know what is that name. I don't know what is that called. Teal. Or teal. And then this is our field also. It's big, yeah. Yeah. They are already removing all the grass and then already using by the tractor. Now they are planning to plant this corn. Corn. Season of the corn, guys. Let's see. Yun. Ayun po yung aking anak. Playing. Darling! Darling! Uy! Darling! Where is the wings, darling? Darling! Oy! Susto! Yay! Flying kiss ga? Chinang throw this one. This. Flying kiss. So play. Ooh. Hi! Where are you going? See? He is already now going escape. He's going up and down, going there. There is in this house. This one is a little store. He's always going there to buy something. Oh yeah. See, go. Oi. See, la. And this field also is ours, guys. Ours. More ours. Ayan po, lahat ay nakaganito na po yung mga mga lupa. Yes, already dig by the tractor. Ayan na si Darling. Hey, Pracho, where are you going? Huh? Katogoy. Babu? Pracho. Be. See, I told you guys. Escape 101. Darling! Hindi ko alam kung saan po siya pupunta. Oh. Ang kulit-kulit. Oy, go here. Oops. Yes, your broom. Go. Chitu. Oh my goodness. Oops, no. It will broke, darling. My beauty cute. Ayan. Oops. Go. Yay. Si Darling. Oh. Ang kulit. So here in our kapitbahay guys, may pa cauliflower sila tsaka string beans. Sa loob po niya ng may bahay na maliit. I think po mga halaman din na no, vegetables. Yun. Yun po yung dalawa naming makukulit na kambing. Umakyat na po. Oy, darling! Ayun! Oho, baby. Mountain climber. So guys, dito po ako sa umakyat. Tignan ko po yung halaman ni neighborhood. Yeah. What's this name? String beans?
Peas, kiro.
Kero? Peas? Babu. Kero. This
I don't know this name song.
this
Kauli,
cauliflower,
broccoli,
broccoli,
brinjal.
brinjal. Small garden, huh?
Uh,
Small gardens. Brinjal, guys. Naman. Ayan, guys. This one, talong.
brinjal.
Brinjal. Brinjal. This Philippines name, talong. We call talong. It's small. Oy, pacha. Yeah. My first time coming here. Here up. This Manisha planting here.
All plant goat eating.
All goat eating. Mero bakra.
Bahra.
Yeah. So they're going to buy Cerelac. Pachi Darling was there now already. With his habua. Buy Cerelac. Already finished his Cerelac. That's why they go to buy now. So, wala na pong kaganapan guys. Yun lang po. Tsaka, ayun na nga, umalis na si Pacho. Bumili lang Cerelac sila, dalawa ng kanyang habua. So, ito na po yung end ng aking video. Sana magustuhan nyo kahit kaunti lang. At saka, ito lang po yung aming normal day today. So, in my next video, once again guys. So, bye!